How to get working coupon codes for Amazon. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. In the search box, type in Amazon coupon code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get amazing working coupon code for Amazon. For instance, I'm going to open this one website, Coupon Follow, as this is a legit one. Once you're on the website, you're going to find many offers and deals for Amazon. Just scroll down and check out the offers 80% off, 50% off, $30 off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab, just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Now I can copy the code. Make sure you check the expiration date of the code whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, you can click on redeem at Amazon. With that, you'll be directed to the official website of Amazon. Once you're in its official website, log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. In the checkout page, you'll find the section of codes. Over there, you can type in this code and confirm your purchase. With that, you're going to get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Amazon. So, this way, you can easily get working coupon codes for Amazon. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.